Looking to use your PayPal balance for your next Vinted haul? So this year, adding PayPal works a little differently than adding a standard debit card. You won't find Save PayPal button in your settings. Instead, it's a dynamic option at checkout. So first, a quick heads up. Unlike a credit card, you don't add PayPal to your profile beforehand. To use it, you need to go through the checkout process. Find the item you want, hit buy, and scroll down to the payments method section. If PayPal is available in your region, you'll see the blue logo right next to the card options. And if the PayPal button is missing, don't panic. Vinted's partnership this year with PayPal is region specific. It's widely available in countries like Germany and France, but it's sometimes restricted in the UK or US to prevent off-platform trading. Also, make sure you aren't trying to use Apple Pay at the same time. Sometimes Vinted hides one if the other is active. And once you select PayPal and hit continue, Vinted will open a secure window. Log in with your PayPal email and password. Also, you can toggle the one-touch payments, which tells PayPal to remember your device. This means the next time you buy on Vinted, you can skip the login and pay with just one tap. And one of the best parts of using PayPal on Vinted is that it will pull from your PayPal balance first. If you don't have enough in there, it will automatically charge your linked bank account. Just like with a card, Vinted will use your Vinted wallet cash first, then convert the remainder with PayPal. So a perfect way to stack your savings. And this is how you bridge the gap between PayPal and your Vinted wardrobe. If this payment guide helped you out and helped you snag the deal today, hit that subscribe button.